How to get started with real estate syndications. What if I told you that you could own a share of a multi-million-dollar apartment complex without ever dealing with tenants, repairs, or the stress of managing a property? Sounds like a scam, right? But it's not. It's called real estate syndication, and wealthy investors have been using it for years to build passive income. The question is, are you ready to join them? Stay with me until the end because I'm about to break down how you can get started today. Let's be honest, buying real estate isn't as easy as HGTV makes it look. First, you need a ton of money for a down payment. Then there's dealing with tenants, property taxes, and the occasional midnight call about a leaking toilet. And what if the market crashes? What if you can't find good tenants? The fear of losing everything keeps many people from investing at all. So, does this mean real estate investing is out of reach? Absolutely not. There's a smarter way, and that's where real estate syndications come in. 1. What is a real estate syndication? Imagine a group of investors pooling their money to buy a huge real estate asset, like a high-rise apartment or a commercial building. Instead of taking on all the risk alone, you invest alongside experts who handle everything, from finding the deal to managing the property. This is how the wealthy scale their investments quickly, and now you can too. 2. How to find the right syndication deal. Not all syndications are created equal. Some are run by seasoned pros who have built empires. Others? Well, let's just say you don't want your money disappearing into a great opportunity pitched by your cousin Greg. A strong track record. The sponsors should have experience with multiple successful projects. Clear investment terms. How much will you earn? When will you get paid? Location, location, location. If the property is in a declining area, it's a no-go. 3. The number one mistake new investors make in syndications. Most first-time syndication investors focus only on returns, but ignore the risk. The secret? Understanding the exit strategy. Before you invest, ask, when will this property be sold? What happens if the market shifts? How are returns structured? A good syndication is like a well-planned road trip. You need to know the route before you start driving. 4. How you get paid in a real estate syndication. The beauty of syndications? Multiple income streams. Here's how you make money. Cash flow, you receive quarterly or monthly payouts from rental income. Appreciation. When the property sells, you get a big payday from the profits. Tax benefits. You can write off expenses just like property owners do. So, while traditional landlords are chasing rent payments, you're passively collecting income. Not bad, right? 5. How to get started. Ready to take action? Here's your step-by-step game plan. Build your investment capital. Start with $10,000 to $50,000 to get into solid deals. Join syndication networks. Websites like CrowdStreet or Realty Mogul list top-tier deals. Vet your sponsors. Look at their past deals, reputation, and transparency. Start small, get into a deal, see how it works, and scale from there. And just like that, you're in. No tenants, no stress, just passive income building your wealth. So now you know, you don't need to be a landlord to build wealth in real estate. Syndications let you invest like the wealthy and without the hassle. The only question is, will you take action? Or will you sit on the sidelines while others build their fortunes? Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you're ready to learn more. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown on finding the best syndications, let me know below.